place this icon. That's the icon for the store listing for me. And so for me, the AI is wrong. Let's tell it to them. Fine. About the app icon in Play Console, I think you are wrong. The icon is the icon inside the apps. Define the how do you say, the icon on the screen, and when the app is loading, while the Play Store icon is defined in Grow Users, Store presence, Store listing or listings. It says that you're absolutely correct, and I apologize for the confusion. You're right, there are two types of icons. Icons source code, the one that we just changed, disappear on the user device, and Play Store listing icon. Grow user store presence store listing graphics app icon. This is where the Play Store's result upper page. For result, the dark icon in pending download, you need to update the Play Store icon. Okay, so we need to generate this image as wrong on two counts. The first one is that the logo itself inside the image bleeds too near to the corner, and second, this background is transparent and it doesn't work well um, on the Play Store because the background becomes black for some reason. So it is not enough contrast, black on black to or dark gray on black. It's almost invisible. So for that, let's go to check if I have a 512 option already generated, otherwise we have to make one. So here are this 1024, and I could from the background one, or, oh, okay. I have a readme here with the image magic command to generate these images. We generate another one of white for the store listing, creating Play Store listing logo. Okay, that is defined in Play Console. Let's record that as well because it took me like 5 minutes to find it, looking around everywhere. Grow users, store presence, and no, store listings, and finally, no man, stop, up icon. All right. So now we know where this has to be put. Let's create a off-white version. Starting from the original image, resize 80%, we do exactly the same, but we extend to 512. I think that's what define the final dimension by 512. And we call this image the same way. Okay, so that's the instruction. Let's execute it and let's see the result. Unable to open, of course. Aha. So let's also add change current directory. So either I change the current directory or I do this command from map. Let's do it. Cd app slash. So because normally we are here. That's the root of the. So it must be app assets images. That's where you have to go. Simple as that. So let's copy that. Nice. In the meantime, it looks like that incredibly the build worked at the first test. That's good. So let's merge it. Well, let's give a quick look, but there's nothing much. We just generated the images, made them a little bit bigger, and then launched the command that did all the resizes and add the information here. Ah, I'm still editing this file. So unfortunately, this will trigger another build, yeah, just for that, readme. So I cannot merge right now. Let's finish to edit this because we are just have to do the store listing. So we are in the right place now. We can try again the command, and also we generate a new image. There you go. That's a 5 and 12. Ooh, haha. I see. Uh, I had to say 40% then there for the image there because we are half of the size, isn't it? Let's try again. That's the beauty of image magic. There you go. That's what I mean. So that's the 512, which is confirmed here. It says 512, 32 bits color, 60 kilobytes. No worries about the size because then the Play Store will resize it for us to much smaller sizes. And perfect. It looks like it's exactly like the other. The logo is not transparent anymore, so this should work. So let's go to the Play Store. Let's change this image. This image also will have to change, but now because also it's not using the right fonts. But there is a video. I know there is nothing yet. Okay, and the screenshots are older, but doesn't matter now. Yeah, let's change this screenshot, this icon to the correct one. This was the old app icon that I put a random icon just to get started. I don't know how to delete it anymore. It looks like I can't. And this that's how it look the dark icon. See, here it is in all its beauty. This and this are the same icon, but because of the transparent background in dark mode, that's how it looks. Nothing can be done. So let's upload the new image. How do you do that? So I click X here. Let's move this to the side a bit. Okay, this can close. Okay. I click replace again and opens that thing. Here there is something to click on. No, it will close again. If you save, changes will be ready for you to send for review. So every time someone at Google has to review them, unfortunately. Manage your vabbè. I don't even know how to update a new image. Oh, I have a delete icon here. Let's click delete. Let's see what happens. Ah, there you go. Now I can drag and drop. That was confusing. Can I drag and drop directly from Android Studio? Let's try. Probably yes, but I'm not sure. Yes, apparently. No, no way. It doesn't work at all. So let's open this in Finder. See, I think there should be an option. Open in Finder. There you go. What did you open the folder above for some reason? Okay. So let's drag and drop from. Oh, I know. I click Add Assets. Upload an icon. It's not clear. It doesn't seem drag and drop works. Yes, it does. There you go. No, it does not. Why did I get a plus and then it opens a new window? That's confusing. Add assets. If I click add assets, opens here. What if I drag and drop it on the site? It also opens a new page. Drag and drop doesn't work. You get this plus. It looks like it's an active area, but it doesn't work. Filter. Manage translation. Upload an icon. Why uploading an icon has to be so difficult? Is there something broken or is it I can delete the icon? Let's hit save as draft because we changed the text. And we probably we have other assets. Oh, upload. Am I blind? But I don't think this is a good interface. It shouldn't be so hard to add something. And then there was I've added, but it doesn't show. I click add. What the fuck has happened? This is the old one. Replace. So now I have upload again. This is a terrible interface. I have to find, I'm in the wrong, totally wrong place. Source. That's why I'm also making confusion myself. I'm in the wrong place. Up. There was the web where there was the old icons. And now I go up, assets, images. Now I have a logo background 5 at 12. That's the correct image. Open. There you go. Now it comes. I think it will come. Something is happening. There you go. And it looks good. Not black anymore. Now, what does it mean replace here? I click replace. And it disappear from there. What the fuck, man? That makes no sense. So I click upload again. Logo 512 background, correct. The image appears. Save as draft. Hopefully now the image is there. It's selected. What does it mean selected? It's not there. I click delete. Now I click on this image. It says upload an icon. How do I put it there? Add assets. And the asset is not there. Makes no sense. This thing is for me super buggy. Is it a super buggy or am I super stupid? But I don't think I am. Maybe I am. I get upload. It shows there and then it disappears. Doesn't make any sense. So there is this precise. There is this arrow. Let's click that arrow. Okay. So you show the image there. Can I drag and drop it? No. Okay, what does it mean click add here? Let's click the add there. And goes there. What a horrible, who taught this interface? Are you serious, man? Okay, this is updated. This is a fine future graphic, but it's not the correct one, but it's good enough for now. And these screenshots are old, but I don't care now. All that I care is this icon, which started like this with a square and Google adds the shadow effect and stuff. But it should have the right background now. So now I finally click save instead of save. Let's click save and draft as draft for once. And now let's click save. Go to publish overview. You have to send it to Google again, unfortunately. So we change the full description and change the app icon. Nice. Send it for review. Fine. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Google. Some humor review will have to double check again. Running quick check found the common issues. This okay. Gone away. That thing I couldn't read it in time. Now they are for review. I think it's fine. So I think with that we had this task. Budget pilot icon impending download. So in the Play Store is on dark mode, has a very dark background, image size is too big. So we have to change that. We know that. Change that. We've done it. We documented it in the README. And so we put this in review because we can't, it was this task, not that task. We can't check until they approve. This will take maybe a day or two. So leave it there. And then we change the app icon from 70% to 80%. So they were looking too small in the phone icons. Like there was this big rectangle with a small icon in the middle. That should look more natural in the way it's now, because here we'll add the rounded corners and the shadow and everything should look good. And we added the documentation. We have to change, we leave a new line here. We have to change that. So we need to commit these two changes. The background, that's for the store listing 5.12. Okay. Commit and push. This will trigger a new build. If I was were a bit faster, I would have triggered it before. But this is the second task. And they don't use AI. Next time I can do it because I have the README. And so this is for review once merged, and I can delete the new, I can download the new version. I will be able to check if it's all as intended, which I think it is. But until I don't see it, we can't move it from review. But the task itself is done good enough for going to the next task. So then the other, this was a question, yeah. which I already resolved. Why does it stay alpha? Do I still need approval? So turns out I don't. I saw. You can have alpha stage, closed testing is now good to go. If I want, I can have an alpha stage and a beta stage, or just alpha and go to production with that once reached the testing threshold, which was how is threshold spelled like that, which for any developer makes sense to keep it simple. So the alpha track can also be renamed to something else. I don't know why yet. So, but the question was, do I need still an approval or not? I already know I don't. So this ticket is resolved. Ah, I got this. It's an easy task. Something that as I migrated out of AWS SCS, I left the templates there. Now I deleted most of the stuff from AWS after the denied production access using resend. Much better experience. He's still using AWS SCS uh, and reselling it for a dear price, but with a good free tier, and it should be fine for me to stay in the free tiers. But we'll see. I can always switch or pay up. Depends. Let's see. So let's go log into AWS SCS, AWS console first, then go to the SCS, simple email service. Here you go. Want to check. Okay. And here, I already deleted my identities, domain, and everything. And also the SMTP I deleted. But in email templates, I have all the templates I uploaded. I want to just delete them. But apparently, you can't do it here. You can do only through the API. They didn't complete this console good again. And because I was planning to, oh, here you go. That's a new icon. When the app is starting, I didn't move it fast enough, but it was looking good. Yeah, so because I was planning to migrate out of SCS, I deleted the command to manage SCS emails, SCS templates. So I just have to look in the old pull request, close for the code that got rid of, and just recopy it there and execute it quickly and then delete it again. So let's see if these comments are good enough for you to find it just looking at the comments here, at the title of the PR. No, no, this is upgraded, this automatic PRs. Hmm, I think I already. Oh, of course. I just realized it's not even the right repository. This was in the web repository, not in the app. So let's check the PRs here. Probably this one. Delete AWS SCS mail support. File changed. Hmm. It looks like I did not delete the script in this occasion, so I probably delete it later. Maybe here is a migration completed. Let's have a look. That I think that's the one. Delete accounts. What does it mean? No, 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 no. This is delete the account. Hmm. There was a script in a script folder. Even say it's completed, doesn't mean it's really completed. Maybe I forgot. Let's check this one. Aha, I found it. That's a script. It's called upload templates, but it also has, wait a second, what there are two. Ah, no, no, no. This is the new script uploading the template to Firestore. Ah, so here it still exists. That's a script to delete templates. Manage templates, yes. Okay, let's open Windsurf for the website. Let's check here in the meantime. How's it going? If it failed the build. Yep, it failed pretty much at the beginning. Sometimes it doesn't load the emulator correctly, or sometimes there are some timing issues. I don't know, something to dig. Apparently, it doesn't even load here. Run failed job, run jobs doesn't work, and this page is off. Okay, now it works. The third time I hit the button. Okay, so here let's open the folder for the website. There, I trust. The author, yeah, it's me. Sometime I trust myself. It was in function scripts, right? And that's defined in the package JSON. Uh-huh. So I still have here upload templates is a new script. Delete templates is the old script, but I don't have it anymore. So I should delete this line. But now for the moment I need it. And let me check that first. I am on main. Yes, I'm on main. Let me check I'm updated before making any mess. Yes, fetch all. Okay. And the branch is only one. Perfect, perfect. So we have to find the script manage template. I'm sure there is a simple way to do that. Now that we know the script name is the git log -p. This lists everything, all the commits, which are one per pull request because I squashed them. And so we can look then for manage templates and see when it was removed. Manage templates. There, found it. Right. That's when it was removed. Manage templates. Oh, it's much more difficult than that because then I need also the email client. I need the secret to delete. Ah, but it's much more oh, no, yeah. It's much simpler to just go to an old version. All right, so first we can check out the commit. So this is commit of 23 July. So let's go check the PRs again. Mm, 23rd July. What date are we looking at here? 5 days ago. I hate when they say that. So what does it mean? I copied it. Does it say 5 days ago if I paste it? Oh my goodness. No, I copied upload template. What does that mean? Oh, that copies that. If I copy 5 days ago, we copy 5 days ago. Annoying. So 27 minus 5 is 22. So this should be older. Oh, let's see this in terms of commit and not PRs. If I say commits, there. You should be able to see the date. I think just doesn't matter. Just go somewhere before that date. Doesn't even matter when exactly. Let's take this 21, even much before I migrate to Gmail here. Yeah, I started to migrate to Gmail. This is the last one before I start to migrate with Gmail. So let's check out the commit. I didn't want. Okay, I'm headless, whatever, it doesn't matter. I'm not going to commit anything. I'm going to. So now I finally have this mesh template. It probably won't work because of missing keys, but let's try to execute it anyway. So let's go to the functions folder and see what happens. And now package.json, there is this script delete templates. So npm run delete templates. Let's see what happens. Okay, fails with modular. Well, I think I just have to do an npm install first to get the module for this particular part. One critical vulnerability already fixed, and but now let's go for it. Okay, so now we have some progress, and it failed because clearly I deleted the key from. I probably don't even have it anymore. is looking for two keys, AWS send mail key and from the Google manager, what is secret manager. Yeah. So we have to put them back to delete the same place. Two secrets, the same mail key and the same mail secret. And it's done like that. And now I know there is a better way to do it. Doesn't matter now because we'll delete this code again. So I have to go to the Google Cloud Console, correct? Secret Manager. When I'm here, this is the most, don't know, this is the most useless, not a dashboard that there is, but one thing that is useful here is the search that I didn't see at beginning. So here I can type Secret Manager. That's a very weird console. Right, now I just have the secret resend API key. I can do secret, create secret. Ah, there you go. Should see the new icon. I didn't have time to see. The two secrets I have to create. One is AWS send mail key, and I have to put the value here. I don't know if I can still find it. I have to do this off screen and see if I can find it, if it still exists. I didn't delete it from. Let's see if I have it in one password again off screen. AWS. Ah, yeah. Funny how I do have them, but I also deleted them. So I also have to go to AWS and find the IAM configuration, access to AWS resources. So the Android, checking the goal here. That one is done, and now we are doing a stupid goal that I could also not do it, which is delete AWS SCS templates. But that's how much I hate AWS now that I'm wanting to delete it completely. 16 roles, 0 users. Yeah, that doesn't help. So I deleted all the users. So I have to create a new user. Username, something with the SCS. Uh, manage SCS. I don't know. Yeah. If you are creating programmatic access to, you can generate them after you create this YAM user. I think I have to create a user, but I'm confused. Yeah. Um, permission boundary, add user to group, AWS, SCS, sending group, do not rename. Attach policy directly. Copy permission, manage policies. That's really slow. What's going on? What was the permission boundary? Maximum permission. Copy permissions. Users, no users to display. Ah, copy from another user, yeah. from an existing user. I don't have users. Okay, finally now it loaded. Um, let's see if I have an SES admin or something because we deleted this user just after, so it doesn't matter. SES full access. Perfect. Create policy. And now very slow. My goodness. Add permission by selecting services, resources, and conditions. Build permission statement using the JSON editor. Yeah, if it loaded. That's so annoying, man. Should I just press next? No idea. Should I press cancel next or wait? Let's try to press next because nothing happens here. I lost my patience. Nothing happens pressing next. Probably because it's waiting for this thing that doesn't work. If I press cancel, won't be saved. Doesn't work, so. What happens, man? What's happening? I lost completely the flow now. Okay, let's see from here. This is so slow, man. The VPN is not on. I have a fast connection, so what? So let's look for SCS again. If I start from here, what happened? Amazon SCS full access. Click from here. Yeah, I can create a policy. Isn't this a policy already? Let's try again. Users, create user, SCS admin, or just, okay, can I use hyphen like that? Admin SCS. Provide the access to the AWS management console. Oh, this is the console, I think. No? Next. And I thought maybe it's this time it works. Attach policy directly. It had to warm up. What the fuck? Loading policies. They kind of already know that there are 70 pages of policies because it displays here, but it can't load the first page. Okay. So look for SCS. There you go. Amazon SCS full access. Click on that. I can expand it. Maybe a bad idea. Okay, there you go. I could copy JSON. Okay, super simple. Allow SCS star resource star. Okay, maybe I shouldn't have clicked here create policy. I just select that and say next. Okay, that's better. Permission summary, AWS SCS tags, nothing, create user. Go ahead. User created successfully. Okay, view user. Well, I see it here. View user. Now, security credentials. access key, create access key. Um, do it off in the next screen. Create access key. Ah, okay, there is another choice. Best practice alternative. I I don't care. Okay, we just need to create it now, and then I will delete it. Just to delete the templates, then I will delete the user. Description tag, temporary key can be deleted at any time in case I forget. Don't worry. I won't forget, but just in case, at least there is a description. Oh, there you go. Access key created, error code. I have access key. That is not a secret per se, but I put it here. Send mail key, perfect. Everything else default. Now I can click create secret, and now we do the other one, the password, what's called we got versions, send mail key, and the other one send mail secret. Okay, so where is it? Create secret, send mail secret. So this secret is this one. I can copy it without showing, and I'll paste here. We will show, so we'll do off screen. Paste in the secret value and click create secret. And then go back to the screen. And now I have send mail key and send mail secret. I can delete them after. But now that means that this command should now work. This one, delete templates. Because now we can retrieve access key and secret from Amazon. No, from Secret Manager. There you go. And it's it in the template. Oh, it's so hard to do something so simple, man. It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable. Okay, so now it means let's double check. That's all we wanted to do before going on. So that means let's go back here in the console. Let's go SCS again. Under templates, it should be now empty. Fantastic, fantastic. Right, so now let's do the cleanup. Oh, okay, that's not quite related. I have a bit of a mess here. Um, add detached, package load modified. So let's revert the package lock. Okay, that's first step. Um, then what is this function simulator data? Ah, yeah. This is every time. I don't think I want to commit that. Ah, yeah, it's already in the git ignore, but for a future version. That's why I see that. And these are images that maybe I want to delete, but I will figure that out. I just was uncommitted before. So what I do, I just wanna check out main. Great. And now I'm back to up to date to main. I want to do an npm install because I messed with it. Now I should get the latest version. Right, now it's telling me this file does not exist anymore. Correct. This file does not exist anymore. Correct. And one thing that we kind of forgot was to delete the script as well. It wasn't forgotten because I really wanted to run it, but then I deleted too much too early, so that was created the problem. Anyway, now we are good. Now we are good. So the next thing to do is to delete this key. Yeah, we already copied, we already used. That's okay. We can just even delete the user, should delete everything, I think. Let's see what happened. I delete the user. User is an access must activate. Okay, deactivate access key. Deactivated, type confirm. Delete user. There you go. So I could have even showed the access key in the stream. Unless there is a super fast hacker. But anyway, I didn't show the secret, so and now it's gone. Can't be used anymore. There is no users. I have 0 users in AWS SCS. Great. So the next step is to delete this from the secret manager. Don't need those anymore. Probably here in actions. Delete. It tells me to copy this AWS and mail key, correct. Delete. And then the secret. Delete. Copy secret. And we keep the resend API key. Nice. So we have done that and we already reviewed, so we can move it to done. Delete WSSS template. So I think being a Sunday and now we've done 1 hour and a half because the stream kind of interrupted into parts, approx a little less than an hour and a half. I will call it a day and tomorrow try to do more, but I'm happy with the progress. And actually, I think what happened is that this, what happened with the build? It kind of stuck. This work here is stuck. 90 minutes too much. Something will happen. It's totally stuck. So I had to cancel it. Should have checked the emulator before canceling it. Apparently it was working. Why is it so slow? I just canceled it for nothing. Anyway, something was up. Okay, we go on tomorrow and check those icons are all good. Bye.